Gates open, they're up and racing. Golden Fortune draws for your lead reading machine. Sangre del Tigre moving a party outside. Then moving up now is entry number 7, Solar Power. Running by the really speed up in. I Am Strong also closing in. Then moving a party outside is entry number 3, Cat May. Past the last 800, Sangre del Tigre takes command over Golden Fortune in second, then racing in third is Speed Up Yun, and moving a party outside is I Am Strong as they race towards the last 450 with Sangre del Tigre still leading the field. I Am Strong moving up by the rail. Sangre del Tigre still leading the field. I Am Strong in second is Speed Up Yun by the rail. With the last 200 to go, Sangre del Tigre, I Am Strong by the rail. Cat May in between runners with 100 to go. Sangre del Tigre, Cat May finds some opening in between runners and now winning race number 10 over Sangre del Tigre. I Am Strong. Then comes Elebenian Queen, number 2, Speed Up Yun, Solar Power, Golden Fortune, Reading Machine, and Purely Cali comes